Hey Facebook, I hope y'all are doing okay today, man. It's a little wet outside, but nonetheless, I'm still going to bring you guys a video today. And today I wanted to talk about the F word, forgiveness. Now, a lot of people toss this word around, but no one seems to really understand how forgiveness works or the reason why forgiveness is so important for each and every one of us. Now, if you grew up anything like me, we always saw forgiveness as something we had to do for someone else. Whenever I hurt someone else, whenever I did some wrong to someone else, whenever I might have stolen something or hurt someone's feelings, we were always told to say sorry, right? And whenever we did it when we were younger, we never really meant it because we always felt as though we had to apologize for something we didn't really mean. And you will find that this is the case for a lot of people. A lot of times we feel obligated to apologize or to forgive for something that still burns us, for something that still hurts, for something that still it still pains us to think about. And that is our natural human inclination. It's very tough to forgive things that people have done, especially if they're hurtful. But forgiveness is not actually something we do for someone else. Forgiveness is a very, very personal thing. And here's why it's personal. When we live our life, when we walk through life in this journey, whatever road we decide to walk, there will always come a time where people will hurt us. There will always come a time when we will feel hurt and offended by things. We will go through some serious events. It may be verbal abuse, it may be physical abuse, it may be heartbreak for some of you guys. Some of you may have been cheated on, you may have been lied to, may have been betrayed, backstabbed. Whatever it is, we all come face to face with that big beast that is forgiveness. And the reason why forgiveness is so important is because if we do not forgive ourselves for holding on to hurt, for holding on to pain, and for holding on to grudges, we will always be trapped by that same pain in our life. This is what you see happening across our lands because people are harboring grudges. People are harboring hate, and they are developing this spirit of revenge. This is why you see the young men are killing themselves off at such a young age now. This is why you find that scorned boyfriends, scorned girlfriends can't ever seem to move beyond a relationship because they have not forgiven themselves personally. Now, when I talk about forgiveness, you have to understand that that does not change the amount of time you're going to think about the hurtful events. It doesn't even change your the emotional feelings that come with it. But what it does do is it starts you off on that path to change. It starts you off on that path of now moving on, moving forward with your life. When you think about forgiveness, right, I want you guys to think about it in terms of holding on. When someone has done something wrong to us, we're holding on to it, right? It's in our past. And when we're holding on to something, we have to be facing it. You can't hold on to something behind your back. You have to hold on to it facing forward. And so we try to move on in life, right, by facing another direction. But there's a part of us that's still holding on to old hurt. Until we forgive ourselves and we let that hurt go, it is only then that we are able to face forward, moving on from past hurt. Too many people are trying to face forward, but they haven't properly addressed hurt in their lives. And I'm telling you today that you need to forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for hurting. Forgive yourself for harboring those bad feelings for so long. Forgive yourself for not being able to move on when you thought you were done with it. Okay? So guys, I hope this has encouraged you in some way because I know there are a lot of people out there that are hurting. And I encourage you to forgive yourself today, okay? And if you know someone that's hurting, someone that needs to forgive themselves, give this video a like and a share so that someone else can get this message too, okay? Take care, Facebook.